try and get these cleaned up. I got a wire brush. Works pretty good, but my air compressor has to refill every 30 seconds. My big air compressor, the regulator's messed up on it, so I got to get a new one. As you see, it's going to take forever with that air compressor. It doesn't have enough capacity. It's a very fine bristle brush. I'm going to coat it with something, some kind of heat resistant paint. I don't know if I'm going to paint it black or what, but I want to make it look good. It'll look better than what it did, at least before I ride it for the first time. That's 23 years old. If you guys are wondering about the mess in my garage, this is from my work vehicle. There's a lanyard, my saw, ratchet straps for the trailer and the four-wheeler, drill, electrical glove. My vehicle, my air conditioner started smoking one day and about caught on fire. This thing has 165,000 miles on it. It still runs fine, but just I'm gonna go out and buy a truck and I'm gonna trade this in. I got my use out of this thing. So all that stuff came out of the back of that because I'm gonna trade that in and I don't want to have to clean it out at the dealership. I'm going to look at one Monday. It's a 2013 F-150 XLT crew cab, tuxedo black with beige interior. So hopefully I drive away with that truck. So see ya.